So all this legal compliance, all the standards that you have quoted in the description of the mission of your company are real. There are standards out there in the industry for almost everything. And I say almost, because we have one black sheep in the industry, and it's software. So all the time I was challenging everybody, from investor to CEO to peers, so that they are a guru in software craftsmanship, about why software doesn't have any standard, why software is not predictable like all the other engineering disciplines. Am I wrong, or are we missing here something in our industry?
Well, it's really interesting, and I agree with you. It's somehow shocking. I think it's mainly the dominant culture in software is speed. The best value, the most revered value in software is build fast. And there's a tolerance for mistakes. Okay, it's normal to have bugs. It's even written in contracts, right? The standard software contract, like you sign when you buy online of Salesforce or Oracle or anything, it's software is delivered as is with all the possibilities of bugs, etc. So the possibility of a bug has been written in the market standard contracts of every software. And it's okay when you use software for casual things, but when you use software to manage nuclear power plants or a plane, it's a different story. So that being said, there are regulations that apply, right? If you use software as a medical device, you are subject to the FDA. If you use embedded software in the automotive, you are subject to the regulations that apply to automotive. So you could argue that those standards come from the different industries in which you apply software. But as a culture, software engineers, you hire someone, a software engineer from the university, they have not been trained for writing business critical software. When you bring them in the team, you have to re-educate them, and including us, when our software is used in many business critical situations. And I have constantly to remind the team that, guys, if our software breaks, there are some shipments that won't go on time. There are some assembly lines in factories that might get stuck. It's hard consequences when software fails. So I agree with you that there's a missing link between real critical software that's subject to certifications like automotive and medical device, normal software that is as is. We're missing kind of a middle ground of a standard quality certification for industrial B2B software.